Model, 2013 Iveco Daily 35S11 with B3750 MOTED recovery truck spares OR repairs bargain. Body, white, recovery. Mileage, 151,523 last MOT mileage screen not working. MOT, 15 November 2024. Engine, 2287 CCF1AE3481J. Transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, gearbox control module faulty will need replacing, will drive but then very intermittently get stuck in first gear will need replacing. Engine is sweet and is well worth to get this back on the road starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van.